Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today, and today we'll be discussing most important days and events from past 60 days. So already we have covered government schemes, India current affairs, business, economy and banking category, then defense, reports and indices, environment and biodiversity, awards, honors and persons who are in news, then places in news, and today it is your 9th lecture in which we'll be covering all the important days, events and their themes. Okay? So now without wasting any further time, let's get started. Question number 1. When is the International Day of the Victims of Enforced Disappearances observed? So this day is marked every year on 30th of August across the world. And the day is observed to honor and pay tribute to the people who have faced enforced disappearances. Okay, so basically in the year 2010, the United Nations General Assembly officially proclaimed 30th of August as the International Day of the Victims of Enforced Disappearances. And the Assembly also welcomed the adoption of International Convention for the protection of all persons from enforced disappearance. Okay. Question number 2. When was the first International Day for People of African Descent celebrated by the United Nations? So the UN have observed 31st of August 2021 as the first ever International Day for People of African Descent. And this day has been dedicated by the United Nations to commemorate the contributions of the African diaspora in every field of human existence. Okay. Question number 3. Where is the International Coconut Community based at? So first of all, this community is an intergovernmental organization of coconut producing countries, and it functions under the aegis of United Nations Economic and Social Commission for Asia and the Pacific. And it is based at Jakarta, which lies in Indonesia. So to commemorate the Foundation Day of International Coconut Community, World Coconut Day is observed on 2nd of September 2021. And the theme for this year was Building a Safe, Inclusive, Resilient and Sustainable Coconut Community and COVID-19 pandemic and beyond. Okay, and do remember that this was the 23rd World Coconut Day in the year 2021. So basically in India, Coconut Development Board celebrates this day every year to promote awareness on the importance of coconut and also to focus national and international attention on coconut sector. Fine. Question number 4. The United Nations International Day of Charity on 5th of September is observed to commemorate the death anniversary of which leader? So every year 5th of September is observed as the International Day of Charity, and this day was chosen in memory of the death anniversary of Mother Teresa. So this day basically aims to bridge the gap between the rich and the poor to meet the sustainable development goals by the year 2030. Also on the same day, that is on 5th of September, India celebrates its Teachers' Day to pay honor to whom? Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Fine. Question number 5. Which state government has decided to celebrate 17th of September as Social Justice Day? So this is the Tamil Nadu government, as it has decided to celebrate every year the birth anniversary of reformist leader E.V. Ramasamy Periyar on 17th of September as Social Justice Day. So actually Periyar was instrumental in the enactment of first Constitutional Amendment Act that safeguarded the reservation for backward classes. That's why he is quite important. Okay. Question number 6. Which date in September is celebrated as International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies? So this day was celebrated on 7th of September 2021 and the theme was Healthy Air, Healthy Planet, which actually emphasizes the health aspects of air pollution, especially considering the COVID-19 pandemic. So this day serves as a rallying call to action to align our efforts and claim our right to clean air. Okay? And also this day is facilitated by United Nations Environment Programme. Question number 7. Which date in September is observed as International Literacy Day? So every year this is celebrated on 8th of September and the first International Literacy Day was observed in the year 1967. So this day was declared as International Literacy Day by UNESCO, that is United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization, in the year 1966. So basically this day is observed to remind the international community about the importance of literacy for individuals, communities and societies. Also this particular day highlights the need for intensified efforts towards more literate societies. Fine. And what was the theme for this year? Literacy for a human-centered recovery, narrowing the digital divide. Okay. Question number 8. Which date in September is observed as International Day to Protect Education from Attack? So this particular day is observed globally on 9th of September and the first ever International Day to Protect Education from Attack was observed in the year 2020. Okay. So basically this day is observed to spread awareness about the difficulties which are faced by those children who are living in the countries which are affected by military conflict. And the purpose of this day is to raise awareness of the importance of protecting schools as a protective and safe place for students and educators, and the need to put education at the top of the public agenda. Okay. Question number 9. Which date in September is observed as World EV Day? So it is marked on 9th of September every year to mark the celebration of e-mobility. Fine. So special awareness campaigns are organized globally to educate the people about the benefits of electric vehicles. And this day was an initiative created by sustainability media company Green TV. And the first ever World Electric Vehicle Day was observed in 2020. Now one more thing I have to tell you. Do remember that England has become the first country in the world that has announced to introduce a legislation under which all newly built homes and offices will require to have electric vehicle chargers there. Okay. So with this, England has become the very first country in the world that requires all new homes to have EV chargers. Question number 10. Which date in September is celebrated as Himalayan Divas? So NMCG, that is the National Mission for Clean Ganga, organized Himalayan Divas in association with Navla Foundation on 9th of September 2021. And the theme was Contribution of Himalayas and Our Responsibilities. So this day is celebrated every year in the state of Uttarakhand. Okay. And the aim is to obviously conserve Himalayan ecosystem and region. And officially it was declared by the then Chief Minister of Uttarakhand as Himalaya Day in the year 2015. Question number 11. Which date in September is observed as World Suicide Prevention Day? So this day is observed annually on 10th of September and the theme for this year was Creating Hope Through Action. So we observe this day in order to provide worldwide commitment and action to prevent suicides with various activities around the world since 2003. And this day is organized by IASP, that is International Association for Suicide Prevention. Fine. Question number 12. On which date National Forest Martyrs Day is observed? So this day is marked on 11th of September, and as the name suggests, it is observed to pay tributes to those who laid down their lives in order to protect jungles, forest and wildlife across India. So the day officially came into existence in the year 2013, and 11th of September has been chosen for this day. Why? Because on this date in the year 1730, the infamous Khejarli massacre took place. So during this tragic incident, people started cutting the Khejarli trees on the orders of the then king Maharaja Abhay Singh of Rajasthan. So these trees were considered sacred by the people that belonged to the Bishnoi community in that village. So it was just a tragic incident. Okay. Question number 13. On which date World First Aid Day 2021 was observed? So this day is observed on the second Saturday of September annually. So this year the day was celebrated on 11th of September, and it is marked to encourage people in first aid training that helps in preventing injuries and saving lives in critical situations. And the theme for this year was First Aid and Road Safety. And this particular theme was given by IFRC, means International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent. Question number 14. On which date United Nations Day for South-South Cooperation is celebrated? So this day is an initiative for the economic, social and political development in the countries in the southern region. So this South-South cooperation refers to the technical cooperation among developing countries in the global south, and every year this day is celebrated globally on 12th of September. So this day basically highlights the efforts of the United Nations for cooperation among developing countries. Okay. Question number 15. On which date Hindi Day is celebrated? So this is celebrated every year on 14th of September, marking the declaration of the Hindi language as one of the official language of Union Government of India. Because on 14th of September in the year 1949, Hindi was adopted as one of the official languages of India. Okay. Question number 16. On which date Engineers Day 2021 was observed? So Engineers Day is marked on 15th of September to mark the birthday of M. Visvesvaraya, because of his contributions in the field of engineering and education. So he played a significant role in constructing dams, reservoirs and hydropower projects across India. And his high architect projects are, for example, Krishna Raj Sagar Dam in Karnataka and flood protection system in Hyderabad. Also he designed automatic barrier water floodgates in Pune in the year 1903. Question number 17. On which date International Day of Democracy is celebrated across the globe? So 15th of September is celebrated as the International Day of Democracy, and the theme for this year was strengthening democratic resilience in the face of future crisis. So this day basically provides an opportunity to review the state of democracy in the world, and it was established in the year 2007 through a resolution passed by United Nations General Assembly. Question number 18. On which date World Lymphoma Awareness Day is observed globally? So every year this day is observed globally on 15th of September, and this day is dedicated to raise awareness about lymphoma and particular psychosocial and emotional challenges which are faced by the patients who are suffering from different forms of lymphoma. Question number 19, very important question. On which date International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer is observed? So this day is observed on 16th of September every year, and it is celebrated to spread awareness among the people about the depletion of ozone layer and search for the possible solutions to preserve it. And this year theme was Montreal Protocol, keeping us, our food and vaccines cool. And as we know that the purpose of Montreal Protocol is to protect the ozone layer by reducing the production of substances that are supposed to be responsible for ozone layer depletion. Question number 20. On which date World Patient Safety Day is observed? So this day is observed on 17th of September to raise global patient safety awareness and encourage individuals to demonstrate their commitment to safer healthcare. And this year theme was Safe Maternity and Newborn Care. And the main goal of this day is to minimize unnecessary risk and injuries to all women and newborns during the childbirth, and also to advocate the provision of quality services at the point of care. Question number 21. On which date the International Red Panda Day 2021 was celebrated? So every year on 3rd Saturday of September, this day is celebrated to increase public awareness and support for the protection of red pandas. And in the year 2021, this day was observed on 18th of September. So do remember that this day was initiated by Red Panda Network in the year 2010, and hence in this year the first ever International Red Panda Day was celebrated. So that's it for today. I hope you have liked this session. So these were the important days and events along with their themes from past 60 days. We'll meet again with our next category soon. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to GK Today. With this, Minu Satsana signing off.